everyone, it's Marky. I just wanted to tell you my favorite feature about this Osteo pillow. So it would be the case that it comes in. So it's super easy. You just unzip this zipper right here, like I just did. And then my second favorite part is it actually has a liner too. And the liner also has a zipper. So if you want to wash both, maybe you sleep hot and I don't know, you sweat or something, or you just, you fall asleep with your makeup on and it gets through to the pillow, because I know that I do that sometimes. It's so easy to remove both of these. So this is the outer one and then this is the inner one. And you can take both off, and then this right here is just the actual memory foam itself. So you can just put that aside, wash both layers of the lining, and you're good to go. I love it. I like sleeping with clean sheets and clean pillows constantly. I am someone who washes my sheets almost too much because I love the smell of clean sheets. I love sleeping in clean things. So having a pillow that is not a typical pillow, so you don't put like a typical pillowcase on it, being able to remove both of these layers of the lining or the lining and then the actual outer part to be able to wash it is a huge, huge plus in my book. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.